Welcome students, good morning. Myself Akshay Kumar Srivastav. I am your computer teacher and this is my new video of class 4th and your chapter is chapter 6, more about Scratch. And in this video I will explain that topic given on your book page number 78, creating a new project in Scratch and choosing a new sprite and using the sprite section, how we can change the Scratch sprite. Okay, so we start creating a new project. A file that we create in Scratch is called a project. Follow these steps to create a new project in Scratch. First, click on the file menu. Second, select new option from the drop down menu. A new project will be created. I will show you how you can create a new project. First, you open a Scratch like that. Okay, and then you have to click on that. Look here, click on that file and then option is new. Now that is untitled. Okay, here is written untitled. This is the new Scratch file. New project will be created. Here we can type the different types of commands. Okay, so this will how you can create a new project. You will click on a file menu and then select the option new. Okay, it is very easy. Okay students, next is choosing a new sprite. There are many sprites that are given in the sprites library. We can choose one or more sprites to use them in a project. Follow these steps to choose a new sprite icon. By default, this is the cat symbol is there. This is the sprite icon in which a cat is represented. Okay, but if you want to change any new sprite image, then you can easily change the sprite image from the sprites library. What are the steps are given? The steps are here. Move the mouse pointer in the sprite section below the stage. Click on the choose a sprite icon. This type of symbol is there. The sprites library will open. Here the sprites are grouped into different categories. Click on a sprite and it will appear on the stage. Similarly, you can choose as many sprites as you want. How you can change? So I will show you. First you open the Scratch editor and here is the option. Look here, choose a sprite from a library. This is the option, choose a sprite from a library. Click on that. Okay, now look, different categories are there. This is all animals, fantasy, peoples, things, transportation, city, dance. Various categories are available and various types of images are there. Okay, which image you want, then you can easily click on that. Is all. If you want to animals, okay, if you want to fantasy, click on that group easily. Okay, which group you want, which type of image you want, you have to select the image. Okay, easily. That is all category. In this all that images are here. Which image you want, then you have to select it. Now look, that is the sprite images here. Okay, you can easily move that sprite image. Okay, so this is the way you can choose a new sprite image. Okay, next, using the sprite section. The sprite section is given below the stage area on the window. Here we can rename a sprite, change the size, position and the direction of the sprite, switch between the multiple sprites and show or hide the sprites. Click inside the sprite text box and type a new name for the current sprite. The X coordinates define the horizontal position and the Y coordinates define the vertical position of the sprite on the stage. Click on to show or to hide the button on the sprite on the stage. Type in a value in the size box to increase or decrease the size of the sprite. You can type in a value in the direction box to set the facing direction of the sprite. The value 90 will set the sprite's face straight in the right direction. 6. You can click on the thumbnail icons of the sprites to switch between them. So how we can change the sprite using sprite section, and click inside. Okay, and here you have to put the, look here, X coordinate and Y coordinate. This is the X coordinate and Y coordinate. Define the X coordinate and Y coordinate where you want to look here. If you want to here, okay, this is the x coordinate. By default it is a x coordinate is 58 and y coordinate is 180. Okay, easily you can change the coordinates. Then type a value in a size box. Info, look here, the x coordinate is this and y coordinate is this. Here if you want to rename it, then you can rename, and degree is there, show and hide. Okay, look here, according to degree it will be changed. Okay, if you want, then you can change it easily. You can change, rotate it. These are the symbols of various options. Show and hide button if you want to show, if you want to hide. Okay, then you have to click on that. Okay, can drag in a player. If you want to change the name, then you can easily type a new name for this. Okay, direction from this here is the direction through which you can change the direction. By default it is a 90 degree. Okay, if you want to change, then you can easily change. And this is the show button. If you want to show the sprite, then you can click. If you want to hide, then you have to unclick. Look, that will, the sprite is hide. Okay, so this is the sprite section through which you can change the sprite's directions and its positions. Okay, vertically or horizontally, whatever you want. Okay students, I think, thank you, have a nice day.